Tagine is an important and a basic pottery pot in every Moroccan house, and it consists of two parts, a base in the form of a concave dish and a conical cover that allows condensation of steam during the cooking. Hello guys, this is Younes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the tagine for the first time and important tips how to keep it for years. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and please give this video a big thumbs up. All the Moroccans, with no exception, love dishes cooked in the tagine, and that's all because of its unique taste mixed with the smoky flavor acquired by the various ingredients as a result of slow cooking, which is usually on a coal or propane stove. Well, in the Moroccan markets, we easily can find 3 different tagines. Let's go to Marrakesh market and find them. Glazed and decorated pottery tagine is used as a serving dish, and it's not used for the cooking. It's always recommended to heat it in the oven or by putting hot water into it in order to keep the food served hot for longer time. It's also used as a decoration for kitchens and lounges. Now this tagine doesn't need any seasoning or curing. Our second type is the glazed clay tagine, which is not painted and not decorated, and most likely it's used for the cooking on a charcoal or gas stove. When cooking on a stove, please keep in mind that the fire must be very low with the plate of metal placed under the tagine to distribute heat evenly and avoid cracking the tagine during the cooking. Well, our third type is the non-glazed pottery tagine, which is the most authentic, and for sure it's my favorite one for the cooking, but it really requires a special seasoning before the first use. First, wash your brand new tagine with water and soap. Then fill the tagine with the water and put the lid on. Then pour more water on the top and leave it for an overnight. Next day, you wipe out your tagine and rub the inside of the base and the lid with olive oil. Then leave it to sit for at least 12 hours. Put your tagine on a charcoal open fire or very low gas stove. Then add 2 spoons olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, all your favorite spices to season your tagine. Then the tagine will soak up these flavors and will give it back whenever it steams. Try to chop an onion and fry it for 10 minutes, then add water and put the lid on for 30 minutes. Leave your tagine cool off and throw that fried onions. So now your tagine is ready to make all the Moroccan Berber dishes. Please check out our video channel for more Moroccan Berber recipes that you can use your tagine for. I just want to end up our video by sharing with you some videos of international people cooking tagines overseas.
Oh, Tagine from India.
And that soaks in, and that basically goes on top like that. And we leave that probably for about another 15 minutes.
And I'm going to do some cooking. Today I'm going to do something called a tagine. And the tagine is a dish that's named after this cooking vessel, a tagine.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope this video will help you to season your new tagine. Please don't forget to subscribe to get updated about our new video.